Hi guys, welcome to another Living SATV video. David here. So today we are going to see the Tshwane Automotive Special Economic Zone right here in Pretoria. So we're going to see their first, we're just going to basically tour outside of both areas. We're going to start with Silverton and then we're going to move to Rosslyn, which is like 35 kilometers away. This is such an interesting project, which is considered the first automotive city in Africa, and in the course of 50 years time it will be invested more than 500 billion rand in this amazing project. Again guys, stay tuned.
Mandated to grow South Africa's manufacturing capacity with a particular focus on the automotive industry, this innovative and crucial economic zone fits seamlessly into the priorities of the South African Economic Reconstruction and Recovery Plan. It plays a catalytic role in extending economic participation across the Tshwane region, opening up multiple opportunities for SMMEs, cooperatives, and promoting skills development together with the transferal of technological expertise in the automotive manufacturing industry. TASEZ is a living, green and productive city, offering unparalleled connectivity, state-of-the-art facilities, supportive services with world-class manufacturing and logistics infrastructure. Spanning over 204 hectares of total developmental space, TASEZ is strategically located in Silverton, northeast of the Gauteng-Tshwane region, adjacent to some of the largest OEMs in South Africa, such as Ford Motor Company, BMW, Nissan, Renault, Tata, Iveco, and UD Trucks. With key integrated focus areas, TASEZ provides for a greener, smarter, productive environment with ease of accessibility that extends to local business growth development, logistics offerings, research, and developmental facilities. The special economic zone's target industries are automotive component manufacturers, warehousing and storage, logistics and distribution, light manufacturing and assembly, among others. As a leading investment destination, TASEZ offers a globally competitive and compelling value proposition, including favorable government incentives, investor support, and value-added services. TASEZ remains firmly committed to meaningful, inclusive participation imperatives with sustainable interventions that contribute to the betterment of surrounding communities. The zone is a living automotive city with an integrated ecosystem that attracts and retains investment, premised on a supportive infrastructure, opening the door to an automotive revolution that breathes life into a new tomorrow.
Okay, this place came a long way, since last time I was here. So guys, welcome to the Tshwane Automotive Special Economic Zone right here in Pretoria. I'm actually just seeing the place now. Sure, last time I was here, this was like literally just dust and rubble. Okay. You guys can see. There you go. People going to work. Probably just finished the, what you call it, the lunchtime. Yeah. This was Ford's $1 billion investment. Okay, so let's continue. Quite interesting. Okay, so basically big warehouses. Interesting to see this type of stuff, eh? You guys can see, quite interesting. Okay, let's go turn here. Yeah, that's what it is, just warehouses. Of course, a lot of stuff happening inside, you know? Yeah, probably your Ford Ranger is being built here. Okay, so auto parts. So they do everything here, really. Really interesting, eh? It's a Portuguese flag there. And the South African flag. What's this about? Rhodesia. Okay. Sure. Do you want to see economical activity? There you go. Giving you guys in first hand a tour inside of the Tshwane Automotive Special Economic Zone. Look at that. Hey, amazing. Fantastic. Very nice. So what the TASEZ auto parts industry? Okay, so they probably do the body kits for the cars and all that. A warehouse is, of course, every warehouse here must have their own specialty. It's basically a big factory. Producing everything locally, eh? Awesome. Yeah, that's basically what you guys will see when you guys come here, right? Just put Tshwane Automotive Special Economic Zone, and this is where you guys will come to. Okay, so this is what you will see from the main road, right? Tons of employment that was created. Semcor Innovation. There you go, got some Raptors there. Rangers, I mean. More Rangers. Okay. There you go, that's Ford. Great stuff, eh? Okay, let's continue exploring. It's basically industrial areas, nothing like really special, but it is special at the same time. Okay, we're going to try to go a little bit deeper and see what's being done. Showing you guys basically, this is like any other industrial area. It's as big as it is because Ford is here, which is it is a very good thing. We got other places in Joburg in terms of factories. We got Isendo, we got Sporten, and so on. Just trying to go a little bit deeper and see what I can find. You see, it's basically an area where you produce every component to build basically a car. It'll be interesting to do a proper tour, but just showing you guys what you guys can see from outside. Okay, cool, they're still building here. So you can hear the heavy machinery. Let me know if you guys can hear it. Very interesting. Yeah, they're definitely still developing this area of the develop, but still, I like it very much. Okay, I see where this is. Okay, there you go. Yeah, so we were there earlier. Well, that's basically it. It's quite big. You guys were able to see the size of this place just with the drone. Very, very interesting. Okay guys, so now we finished Silverton, the fort here. Now we're gonna drive all the way 35 kilometers from Silverton to actual Roslyn and show you guys there the rest of the Tshwane Automotive Special Economic Zone. Guys, we arrived now. Okay, so we are in Nissan at Roslyn. You guys can see there. Okay, here you guys can see like huge conglomerates, big companies, international companies around here. We got BMW, breweries, Nissan, big automotive manufacturers. You know, it's employs hundreds, probably thousands of people around here, but this is basically what Roslyn has to give. Huh, interesting. Just give you a little bit of some views of okay, so this is the main road here in Roslyn. Remember, these things are difficult to glamorize because they are just dirty areas where people work, where people fabricate stuff, you know. Got a BMW there. You guys can see the size of the warehouses around here. Nampec also, Bevcan, they probably manufacture cans here. Another big, there you go. Big factories, guys. Oh, look at that. That's just a stamping plant. Look at that. You guys can read it, but yeah, that's good. Lots and lots of businesses. DSV is big business because they work for majority of these big manufacturing facilities. There you go. You can see these facilities, how many people they actually support, right? That's why it's so important, you know, to bring these companies in, especially internationally, in any industry, you know. And how we create industries locally is by taking, training people, teach them, and then put businesses in place locally, so we can create our companies and be able to export products to the international market. But like I say, these things take years to accomplish. So you can see Nissan has like all these warehouses in different parts of Roslyn, all of them with different you know, specific tasks to do for the cars. It's all here. Yep, that's the size of the warehouses. And of course, Iveco, FAW. There you go, guys, we're finalizing now the video. This is just to give you an idea how important these industrial areas are in the economy of our country, and how much employment it creates, and skills, everything. All this is very important to see. There you go, guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and now you know about this project that in the next 50 years 500 billion rand will be invested in this huge area, what they call the Tshwane Automotive Special Economic Zone, that literally employs thousands and thousands of people. Again, guys, stay tuned, we'll bring you many more developments right here in Living SA TV. Share, subscribe, and destroy that like button.